Are you inadvertently sabotaging your skin's health with common skincare mistakes? Welcome to a journey through 10 skincare trends that need to hit the brakes pronto. Kicking off at number 10 is over-exfoliation. Yes, sloughing off dead skin cells is essential, but moderation is key. Overdoing it can strip your skin of its natural oils, causing dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. Next on our countdown, at number 9, we have DIY skincare. While it's commendable to take matters into your own hands, some homemade remedies can do more harm than good. Not all kitchen ingredients are skin-friendly, folks. At number 8, we find alcohol-based products. They may give you that instant clean feeling, but alcohol can be extremely drying, leading to flaky skin and premature aging. Number 7 brings us to tanning. Whether it's natural or artificial, tanning can cause severe skin damage, leading to premature aging and increasing the risk of skin cancer. Moving on to number 6, skipping sunscreen. Believe it or not, sun damage can occur even on cloudy days. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your daily routine to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have using products not suitable for your skin type. Not all skincare products are created equal. What works for your friend may not necessarily work for you. Number 4 is ignoring the neck and chest. These areas are just as exposed to environmental damage as your face. Don't neglect them in your skincare routine. Entering the top 3 at number 3 is sleeping with makeup on. This clogs your pores, leading to breakouts and dullness. Make sure to cleanse your face thoroughly before hitting the sack. The runner-up at number 2 is not changing pillowcases regularly. Bacteria and oils can accumulate on your pillowcase, leading to skin irritation and breakouts. And finally, the number 1 skincare trend to stop is ignoring hydration. Dehydration can lead to dry, dull skin. Drink plenty of water and use hydrating skincare products to keep your skin healthy and glowing. In summary, avoid over-exfoliating, be cautious with DIY skincare, steer clear of alcohol-based products, and ditch the tanning. Don't skip the sunscreen, use products suitable for your skin type, and remember to care for your neck and chest. Always remove makeup before bed, change your pillowcases regularly, and never, ever ignore hydration. Remember, achieving radiant, healthy skin requires consistency and care. It's never too late to break bad habits and start nurturing your skin the way it deserves. Until next time, keep glowing